rounds 1 is kind of what I wanted to predict. So depending on if they made it to the finals, they would have won 5 rounds to make it that far. If they won the championship, they won 6 rounds essentially. So each time you win a round, you get round 1. So that's kind of like a starting point on what I wanted to predict in the end game. So I took all 36 variables and used that to calculate rounds 1, the prediction. It was very surprising. Georgetown was the winner, predicted winner. It's also interesting to note with using all of these, not a single 1 seed made it to the Elite 8. Took the raw regression model and slimmed it down to just the most significant. Predicted winner was Colorado, which I said was interesting because Colorado and Georgetown played each other, and then the winner of that matchup, 2 of the 3 models were the winner of the tournament. So the adjusted regression at the variables that have the highest singular correlation to rounds 1. So if you look at them individually, they have the highest correlation to rounds 1. So I took all those and created a model with just those 6 statistics. Again, it was kind of interesting. No 1 seed won, but Ohio State was the predicted winner. In all 3 models, Wisconsin beats UNC the first round. Maryland beats out UConn in all 3 brackets as well. Rutgers beats out Clemson in all 3 brackets. So it's just little upsets like that. It's kind of interesting being like, oh, maybe that'll happen, you know? Called standard rating system. So what it is you take the strength of schedule, which is rated based on how the teams you play against, how well they do, how many points they score. So you take the strength of schedule and you compare it to the point differential. So that's the difference in points scored versus opponent's points. And then you kind of create this new statistic. And it was interesting when I was looking at because the SRS related very, very similar to the ranking. So your top 10 teams were almost identically top in SRS as well. So it's a good way if you're trying to guess who's going to make the tournament initially, is you can use SRS as a good statistic. So I thought that was a good one to include in predicting who's going to win.